Children, I'll take your attendance first and then we will start the class. Right? So when I call out your name, please switch on your mic and give me your attendance. Adya Verma? Adya Verma, are you there? Okay. Achint? Achint? Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Adyan? Advait?
Present, ma'am.
Akshat?
Present, ma'am.
Akshay? Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Arna? Arna? Absent. Okay. Arsalan?
Present, ma'am.
Devansh? Devansh? Ekagr?
Present, ma'am.
Fazilat?
Present, ma'am.
Hanifa?
Present, ma'am.
Hashvi?
Present, ma'am.
Havira?
Ma'am, present.
Jennifer? Ishanvi?
Present, ma'am.
Jennifer? Laiba? Laiba?
Present, ma'am.
Lavik? Lavik Agarwal? Myra Fatima? Myra
Present, ma'am.
Abdullah? Yasir Faisal?
Present, ma'am.
Ismail? Izan?
Present, ma'am.
Myra Tandon?
Present, ma'am.
Nabiha? Naima?
Present, ma'am.
Shayan?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Nishkat?
Present, ma'am. Present.
Shayan?
Present, ma'am.
Suknur?
Present, ma'am.
Swastik? Tasmia? Varunika? Varunika?
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Vidushi?
Present, ma'am.
Yashwardhan? Viraj?
Present, ma'am.
Saida? Yatharth? Yatharth, you were there in the morning. Where are you now? Ayansh. Ayansh. Laiba, are you there? Devansh, are you there?
Here, ma'am.
Hussein. Devansh, are you there? Where are you? Yes, Laiba, you are there. Devansh, are you there? Hussein? Hussein? Very good. Good boy. Chaliye. Okay, children. Now open your social studies book to page 16. 1, 6, 16. Opened? Okay. Write classwork. Where it is written try these, write classwork and today's date. Ready? Yasir? Yasir, please open the book yourself. Keep the pencil in your hand. Okay. You have to tick the correct option. The options are given in the bracket. Alright? And you will underline the correct option and then put a tick mark on it. Fazilat, switch on your mic, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash stitches are clothes. Tailor, plumber. Okay, underline tailor and put a tick mark on it, please. And then write tailor in the blank. Write tailor in the blank. Hussein, you are writing now. Akshay, you are writing. Good boy. Hussein, write. Ayansh, you did not say good morning, so I think I've marked you absent, child. And you are still not in class. You written tailor in the blank, all of you? Kriti Mishra is Swastika Avasthi. No, too late, beta. Attendance is already over. Kriti Mishra is Swastika Avasthi. Ayansh Rastogi, I know I have already marked you absent, child. But I'll mark you present, don't worry. Who has joined with the ID of Kriti Mishra? Who has joined with the ID of Kriti Mishra? Okay, number 2. Hanifa. Number 2. Dash comes from cotton plant. Cotton wool.
Cotton.
Very good. So yes, you will underline cotton. Put a tick mark on it and write it in the blank.
Okay, ma'am.
Nishkarth, the next one. School children wear dash in school uniforms, party dresses.
School.
Who's answering?
Uniform, school dress.
Please pay attention to the words that are given over there. फिर से बोलो क्या बोलना है. School children wear dash in school uniform. नो बेटा, जो ब्लैंक उसमें ब्रैकेट में लिखा है उसमें से ही तो देख के बोलोगे तुम. So the options given in the yes, uniforms. Underline uniform, put a tick mark and write it in the blank. Yasir, bring your book in front of the camera, please. Show me what you're writing, Yasir. I want to see what you have written, child. You have not done anything, Yasir, till now. No, the words are given in the book. Please don't prompt him. Let him see the words from the book itself. They have to learn to read also. यासिर के पास जो भी है, प्लीज कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा. कैमरे के सामने आ जाइए प्लीज. आइए. आप यासिर की कौन है?
Yes, ma'am, mother. Ma'am, Yasir is not listening.
No, he will not listen to you, but he has to listen to me, right? So you should not be there so that he learns to listen to me. आपकी आवाज़
Okay.
सुनता रहेगा तो मेरी आवाज़ सुनने की आदत नहीं पड़ेगी उसको. Okay? So
Okay,
please
ma'am.
leave him alone. Let him see. Let us see what
Okay,
he
ma'am,
does.
but he is not writing. He
He
is
will
sitting
write.
only.
He will write. He will write. Otherwise, I will call him to my house. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. यासिर,
Okay, thank you.
कैमरे के सामने अपनी बुक लाओ. दिखाओ क्या लिखा है. Quickly, pick up your book and show it to me in front of the camera. No, don't look at your mother. Chalo, Yasir, the next one, number 4. Now you will answer and you will not look at your mummy. You will answer on your own, okay? We get dash from sheep, silk, wool. One answer is correct. Tell me the answer. Yasir, what do we get from sheep? Loudly, switch on your mic. You are giving the correct answer. Switch on your mic. Very good. So underline wool, put a tick mark on it and write it in the blank. Jaldi karo. I'm giving you 1 minute to do this. Quickly. Have you written Yasir?
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर है?
Now who's this who's asking me कौन सा page number है? Who's this?
I am Vidushi Thakur, ma'am.
Vidushi, you never seem to know the page number, child.
No.
Every class you have to ask me what is the page number. Why is it so? And you always ask when the class has already started about 10 minutes ahead. What is wrong with you, Vidushi? Please pay attention. And next time you ask, you will not be in my class, child. Page number 16. Yasir, switch off your mic, beta. Okay, let's shift to page 17, children. Page 17. Exercise C. Akshay Gupta, switch on your mic. Exercise C. Now children, you have to match the dresses to the names of the people who wear these dresses. ऊपर 4 dresses दिए हुए हैं, नीचे 4 names are given. In front of each name there's a box, right? So जो dress के सामने वाला letter आपको इस box में लिखना है, right? Now soldier, Saida, soldier. What will be right in front of soldier? No, don't prompt her. Don't prompt her. Saida. Saida, talk to me, child. Saida, talk to me, not to your mother, please. Soldier का ड्रेस दिखाई दे रहा है तुम्हें? Excuse me. आप कैमरे पे आइए, please.
Yes, ma'am.
How can a child listen to 2 people simultaneously? When I am talking to her, will she listen to you or she listen to me? Right? Let me guide her through this. Okay? Saida. The first one is soldier. तुम्हें soldier का ड्रेस ऊपर बॉक्स में कहीं दिखाई दे रहा है बेटा? No, don't look at mummy. कहीं पे दिख रहा है किसी बॉक्स में? You can't help but help her, right? Saida, soldier kiss box. Loudly beta, loudly. The whole class has to hear you. Saida, what letter is written under soldier's dress? किसको जवाब दे रही है बेटा? आप मम्मी को दे रही हैं कि मुझे दे रही हैं? मुझे दे रही हैं ना? B, yes. So in front of soldier, in the box, write capital B. All of you write capital B in front of it. Hussain, are you there, child? Hussain, are you there? Yes, Hussain. Hussain, पुलिसमैन का ड्रेस आपको कहीं दिख रहा है? डी में दिख रहा है? वेरी गुड हुसैन. सो पुलिसमैन के सामने जो बॉक्स है उसमें कैपिटल डी लिख दो. वेरी गुड बॉय. सी, अक्षय गुप्ता, माइक ऑन प्लीज. माइक ऑन. यस. ओके. थर्ड नेम इज गर्ल. अक्षय गुप्ता, गर्ल का ड्रेस. गर्ल, अब बताओ अक्षय गुप्ता, गर्ल के सामने कौन सा लेटर लिखना है? अक्षय, लाउडली बेटा. रेड ड्रेस है ना गर्ल का, उसके नीचे वेरी गुड अक्षय. ए, write A in the box over there, children. Very nice. Akshay, you're a good boy today. Akshita, nurse. Akshita Yadav, nurse. Which one, beta? Which letter? नर्स के सामने कौन सा लेटर लिखेंगे? वेरी गुड. सी. वी विल राइट सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ नर्स. राइट? ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन, क्लोज योर बुक एंड क्विकली टेक आउट योर सोशल स्टडीज कॉपी. पुट योर बुक असाइड. प्लीज यूज योर ईयरफोन. Please use your earphone. Okay. Turn to the page where we have done question and answers of the lesson, our Home.
Ma'am, please tell me the page number.
There is no page number in your copy, child. There is no page number in your copy. Can you all hear me? Raise your hand if you can hear me. If you can hear me, please raise your hand. You all can't hear me.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Just a minute, children. Now can you all hear me? Okay. Switch off your mics. Have you all turned to the page where you've done question and answers of lesson R home? Right? Now I'm sending you the image of the home again. Please draw it just now and color it. Okay? No, this is sorry. This we don't have. This is for science. Put your social studies copy. Keep your social studies copy in front of you. I get confused. We have done
Ma'am,
yes.
we have done chapter 2 questions. Chapter 1.
We have done question and answers of chapter 1. That is, we need food, right? Okay. And we have done the diagrams in this, na?
Wow.
I know, children. Our home is.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Done diagram.
Let the child answer, please. Our home, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Our home is in science. So put away your social studies copy and your pencil box and your social studies book and your science copy also. There should be nothing on your table now. Right? अब सब चीज़ें हटा दो अपनी टेबल के सामने से. Okay? Moved? Fold your hands and sit straight. Yes, Ekagr, please. Yes, Ekagr, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, I have put up.
Okay, you can hear me. Okay. Fold your hands. I sent you a link for your drawing, your art class, which you will have the first art class tomorrow. Shayan, क्या हो गया? सीधे बैठो बेटा. I want to see your face, child. Please join that link so that you can join the art class tomorrow, right? And for today, your classes are over. Stay safe, stay good, and take care of yourself, children. Bye bye. Yes. बोलो ईशानवी. नहीं बेटा, होम जो था वो साइंस कॉपी में. आई मेड अ मिस्टेक. आई थॉट इट वाज इन this, right? So right now you don't have to do anything in social studies. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, children. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.